order to clear your TikTok search history for more privacy or a fresh start, you need to follow these simple steps. Go ahead and delete the specific searches. Open your TikTok application, log into your account, and tap on the search bar in the top right corner of your screen to see your recent searches. You'll be able to see all of your recent searches in the top. Tap on the cross or the X icon next to any search you want to remove. Now you can go ahead and delete all search history at once. So go ahead and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right. Then after, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to go to settings. Then tap on settings and privacy. Go to activity center that you will find in the section of content and display. Now tap on search history that you will find below comment history. Tap on that. Now you can go ahead and select any search history that you'd like to remove and tap on delete in the bottom right corner of your screen and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.